In Power BI, sometimes we use map visuals which are present here in visualization, and you might get an error in map visuals after an update, or if you have signed in to a particular official email ID which is paid version, and your admin might have blocked it, or if in your personal use also without signing in, you might face this kind of an error. Map and field map are visuals are disabled. To enable them, what we have to do is we have to just go to file, and in file we have options and settings. So for example, if we go to file, we have options and settings. Click on options. The options tab will appear. In options, we have to go to the global settings, security. So in this options window, we have to go to security. In this, we have map and map field map visuals. Just tick mark on this and click OK. Okay. And now again, so as you can see, and if I put here, you can see it is populated. Okay, I will just enlarge this in the focus mode. Okay, so now you can see it is enabled, and you can see your maps.